The heart is the driving force of human life itself. It skips a beat when we're inspired. It helps us individually get to our destinations. It represents the love center. It can inspire us to great heights. Yet, for something deeply embedded into the thing we call life, we find our purpose, our very meaning, and then we go on to share it with the rest of the world. We're expanding what's possible to support the growth and enhancement of a better future. We want to help you look outside of what you know and towards a bright future. Our gift is the formula for getting your business noticed and to help you get ahead of the game.